Or take some whipping cream and beat it up to a nice peak. Sweeten it up a little bit. Then watch this. We're gonna take our delicious pressed coffee, clean like a whistle. Oh, you should smell this at home. See? No grounds. Oh, beautiful coffee. Now that we have that, let me show you my favorite. I take a little bit of sugar, bam, bam, like that. Take a little bit of this Frangelica stuff. Add a little of this Godiva stuff. Kick it up another notch with a little Kahlua. Then I pour this nice pressed coffee right in a mug like that. We take a little bit of that whipped cream right on top like this, okay? And a little cocoa powder. And there you have it. Emeril's Coffee.